Hi everybody, Patrick here, and today I'm coming to you with my Fujifilm X-T5 from the Karasee with this awesome view on the Latimer group of the Dolomites. And I thought this could actually be a nice spot to sit down with you and talk about the Fujifilm X Summit on May 24th. And more precisely, I'd like to talk about what we will get for sure on May 24th and what we might get or what we can hope to get on that day. But before I do this, if you like this scenery and you appreciate the fact that I've abandoned my family and friends for a few minutes to take my time to talk to you about Fujifilm news and rumors, then like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss when the next rumors go online by hitting the notification bell. So, we know the Fujifilm X Summit is coming on May 24th at 5 AM New York time, and we also know that X Summits are the events in which Fujifilm announces new gear. But at any X Summit, no matter how much I leaked ahead of them, there have always been surprises. So let's do two things here in this video. First, let's make a quick summary of the rumors I've shared in the last few weeks, so about what we can certainly expect to come on May 24th. And second, let's look at possible surprises that Fujifilm could have prepared for us based on rumors, but also on official teasers of Fujifilm and also based on guesses and wishes on my side. And remember, the link to everything I mentioned in this video, including the link to this amazing spot over here, can be found down below in the description. So, what's coming for sure? First, the Fujifilm X-S20. We have leaked images, we know the price, that's $12.99. We know it will shoot 6K 30p, 4K 60p, that it will use the bigger NPW235 battery. It's compatible also with the XH cooling fan and has the X-Processor 5, the X-Trans4 sensor. We also know that it will have the new fully automatic subject detection mode and a vlog icon printed on the mode tile, and that basically give us access to features like background defocus and product priority mode. So definitely a substantial upgrade over the XS10. And then we also get the Fujinon X f8mm 3.5, and also here we have already leaked the images as well as the price, and the price will be $799 US. And for sure, also the Fujifilm X-Up is coming and will be announced on May 24th. Yeah. So that's the stuff that will come for 100% sure. As far as the rumors goes, we have rumored the Fujifilm GFX 100 replacement to come in 2023, but I don't know if it will be announced on May 24th, or maybe they will make only a development announcement, or maybe nothing. That we have to wait May 24th to find out. I haven't rumored all the products so far, so let's move on to what could come based on official Fujifilm teasers. So, back in January, Fujifilm promised us they will bring the XH2 3.0 autofocus algorithm also to the XH2 and X-T5. So let's hope we will get that. And more generally, let's hope there will be lots of firmware updates for many other cameras, because, I mean, that's not a rumor, but that's an extended wish of mine in terms of firmware on top of the promise that Fujifilm made for us. And now let's take a brief look at this. This is the Fujifilm X-mount roadmap, and you can see that the XF8mm f3.5 is the last lens on that roadmap. And this means on May 24th, when that lens is announced, there is no other lens on the roadmap. So I hope, not a rumor, I hope that Fujifilm will give us an updated X-mount roadmap. We have also made a huge survey on FujiRumors where you guys voted on which lenses you would like to see next, and I will let you the link down below so you can check out your top wishes. As far as the GFX roadmap goes, it looks a little bit better. Here we have two lenses still to be announced on that roadmap, the Fujinon GF55 f1.7 and a very keen to a tilt shift lens, which we know will be actually two tilt shift lenses because Fujifilm has shown them in previous X Summits, the GF110 5.6 and the 30mm 5.6. Yeah, so let's hope that some of those G-mount lenses will also come on May 24th. And also in this case, I hope for an updated G-mount roadmap. And as far as G-mount lenses goes, future G-mount lenses, also here we made a summary on FujiRumors, and you can check out down below what your top wishes were in this survey. Other surprises, well, in past Fujifilm X Summits, Fujifilm has made a camera development announcement or shown us mock-ups of lenses that were never on any roadmap. So let's hope something like that will also happen on May 24th. And finally, in the past, when Fujifilm introduced a new sensor and processor platform, they also gave us a new film simulation along with it. But since the introduction of the XH2S in May 2022 and the XH2 in September and then the X-T5 in November, we have not seen any new film simulations. So I do hope that at some point, maybe with the XS20 on May 24th, we will also get a new film simulation. If you would also like to get one, then let us know in the comments which film simulation you would like to get next. So to wrap it up, May 24th will be a very exciting day, and you should definitely stay tuned on FujiRumors because you get it all covered there. There will be the coverage, the live coverage of the X Summit, and then we have a launch blog with all the reviews and the first looks, and we will cover it all non-stop only on FujiRumors. So guys, I see you on May 24th. Like, subscribe, and have an absolutely fantastic day. Goodbye from the Karasee and the Dolomites. Ciao. Introduced a new sensor and processor platform. They always gave us also a new